Good day, everyone. Moving on to project 3 of my quantum analytics internship project, where I analyzed the Brazilian e-commerce Olist dataset using Power BI. In this dataset, some of the insights I gathered showed that we have a total of over 99,000 customers with a total product of over 33,000. Total number of sellers on this data set is over 3,096. Total items traded, over 17 million. Total payments recorded, over $2.9 billion. And total freight, cost of freight, is over $340 million. Now, looking at other insights from the data, most payments by customers, they use credit card, about 77,000. So credit card users top the chart compared to other payment types. Let's look at other insights. Okay, we have order status by sellers. So delivered showed to be the most status. So most goods were delivered compared to shipped and processing. The top 5 products you can see as at listed on the screen. And again, freights and credit card payments show to be the highest. So that is, customers were using their credit card to pay for freights. Looking at the top 5 states with the highest sellers, the state-coded SP showed to have the number of sellers at 1,849. Here I have my slicers where I use the geolocation as slicers. And remember I said slicers are indicators such that when you use them, it interacts with the dashboard and it gives you further insights into the data set. So I'm just going to click onto, let's say, Geo. If I click on Geo, you can see that the dynamics and statistics of the data has changed. So for geolocation, in this instance, it has 463 customers with 238 products. There are 40 sellers in that location and a total of 29,000 items. The total payments recorded, 8.21 million, and total freight cost, 740.46. Also, credit card showed the most preferred payments type by customers. And again, delivered is also the major order status by customers. Let me click on another slicer to see what information we are going to get. Let me click on PE. If I click on PE, you can also see we have more information about this data. For the PE location, 406 customers, 64 products, 9 sellers, 9,618 items, total payment 3.3 million, total freight cost 275. So you can see that as you change your slicer, you are going to have more information about the data set being used. So again, this is my 3rd project in my desire and passion to become a data analyst, and I'm doing internship with quantum analytics. I hope you gained something from this presentation, and I'll see you on my next project. Thank you so much for listening. Bye.